So the first thing you need to do with your pump is put the clip onto the hose pipe and then put the hose onto the pump. Once you've secured the hose onto the pump, simply tighten the hose clip to ensure that the hose is secure onto the pump itself. And then when you could feel resistance and that there's no movement in the hose, you can then place it into wherever you're pumping. Once you've placed it into the body of water, make sure there's no kinks in the hose. For example, if we're using a lay flat, you can use a suction delivery if that is your preference. Once you're happy with that, simply turn the pump on and watch the water go down. Once the water's all pumped away, simply turn the pump off and you're done.
It is very close. It's almost done. Almost. Hasn't taken a huge amount of time. We're only taking a short break for it to have a resting period so we don't wear out the small pump. Good boy. Right, so the SPP is about done now. It's about getting close now to 2 mil left, which is its minimum depth. And once that's done, obviously you can turn off the pump, mop it down from the rest of the 2 mil, give it a nice clean, and then obviously you're ready to put some fresh new water in, ready for the summer. We do recommend that you put the SPP through some clean water first. Obviously give that a quick run through to make sure there's no chemicals left over, and then that SPP is then ready to operate for the next time you need to clean it. And we are done. As you can see, there's barely any left, about 2 mil. Happy days.